Hello guys, do you having the problem of signing in toolbox? Yeah, it's like the most problem in the toolbox, and if you can't sign in, you can play any servers, and it's useless. Yeah, so I will show you how do I sign in the toolbox. First, go to settings if you download the toolbox, then go to apps. Go to apps. Here you find the apps and like okay, so let me load this. You have to sign in first Minecraft. Okay, you have to sign in Minecraft and open the external storage and give Minecraft every single access to. Then go to toolbox. Then when you install, click the toolbox and allow storage. Okay, then go to toolbox, then settings, and then profile. You find external application storage. Do that in the external storage, and if you okay, so then you have to go back in. Okay, so then go to the archiver, then go to Android. Where is Android? Here is then data, then convert modem, then files, then games, then games. If you see this Mojang, talk from Mojang, then files, games, copy it, okay, copy it, then scroll down, where is the toolbox I'm finding here? Where is see here, imoro something, imoro something, and I have already done this. You have to done, and if you done it, you will see these words and other things came into here. And if you want to put any resource packs, you can put at here. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, that helps me a lot, and more informative videos and more things. If you say in the comments, I will show you. See you in the next video. Bye bye, goodbye, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.